Today we are gonna actually get into Chat GPT. I see a lot of these videos and it's like, here's 10 ideas for Chat GPT, and you're like, I don't know how to use it. So we're gonna start with bare minimum basics, and we're gonna run through like, I'm gonna say 6 or 7 different prompts. We're gonna start with checking your work. We're gonna move into making things more concise. We're gonna build some outlines. We're gonna generate ideas because we all get tired. We're going to talk about how to make researching things easier, and then we're going to reduce your reading time, which is always, always, always a huge plus for us. I'm also going to be slowly giving you guys kind of more and more details on how to make it work better for you. So we're going to start with our first prompt, which is going to be, I'm building a guide for the Dyslexia and Adults Hive. Can you please run a spelling and grammar check on the things below? So we've already typed these out because nobody wants to watch me type. So this is Chat GPT. We're gonna have a new chats, and then when we have a bunch of chats, which we will have today, you'll see that they stay here forever. So you can always go back to what you've been looking for. Chat GPT 3 versus Chat GPT 4. Chat GPT 4 is just the paid version. It's like further along in the information that it feeds it. Just use 3.5. It's more than fine. And then down here, it's nice and easy. It's just like texting your friend. You are just going to type and or paste what you want in here. So I went ahead and put our prompt in here. I'm building a guide for dyslexia in adults. Can you please run a grammar and spelling check? And then here's the important part is I've asked it to bold all of the changes. So right now, it definitely has some errors. I'm going to go ahead and click send. And then it's just going to type back to me beautifully. Here's the revised version, blah, 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 blah. And what it's done is it's actually gone and highlighted all of the mistakes. From here, I click this little clipboard button, and then I can go back to whatever document I need and then paste it, and it works great.
And the reason why I wanted to include this one is I don't know about anyone else. I mean, Grammarly is obviously like exalted upon high for being amazing, but underlines so much now that I just feel a bit overwhelmed. And so I really liked this one as an easier way of helping you identify the things you want changing and just doing it quicker, because I don't want to click through all the changes at the moment. Oh, Katie, people are asking if you can change ChatGPT from US spelling to UK spelling.
That's a really good question. And I thought about that earlier today, and I don't honestly know. I have a feeling that the US ChatGPT and the UK chat are different, is my guess. Just because that would be logical, but then again, not everything is logical. I know with like spelling software like Grammarly, you can pick which English you use. That's a really good question.
Why don't you put it in again and say with UK spelling?
Let's try that. I'm using .com. It might be .co for you guys or .uk. All right, let's see if this works. I just said, can you fix it to have all UK spelling instead of USA spelling? Did it fix it?
I can't see where the I can't see any specifics, but I think it will have done, right? It says it's capable of it.
Optimize
there, yeah.
a Z versus an S. Yeah, so the US is a Z and you guys are an S, so it did fix it to UK spelling. So it looks like you could just say UK if your version is English for some reason. Back over here. So we like it because it fixes grammar fast. You don't have to struggle over it. It shows you the mistakes. You get to learn from those mistakes. And it's not, again, like Natalie said, I hate clicking through on Grammarly, all the 40 different prompts where it's like unnecessary ellipses. I'm like, I know what I did. So great, fast, easy. It's really good for things like email, or if you just need a quick little like breeze through a quick thing you're working on.